If thumbnails feel like one more thing on your plate, I get it. I know you hate making them, and honestly, I don't blame you. But here's the thing, the right moment from your video is already there. You just haven't found it yet. Once you see how to spot it, it just clicks. I wish this weren't true, but people really do judge your video by the thumbnail. And when YouTube picks it for you, it's just guessing. And that guess can quietly cost you views because YouTube doesn't know which moment matters the most. You do. And in a minute, you're probably going to think, oh, I could do that. Look at this. This is what YouTube picked. But if you just move a little bit, do you see it? You're not designing a thumbnail. You're just choosing the moment that tells a story. Less than a minute. You thought it, didn't you? You thought, oh, I can do that. We will be diving into Canva so that I can show you a couple of tricks that you need to know when it comes to making thumbnails from screenshots. But I promise it's going to be easy and simple and not take a lot of time. But before we do that, I want to share with you a real life story of a video that if it chose auto select, it absolutely would not tell the story of the video. I'll use my friend as an example. I showed her the screenshot theory a couple years ago, and over time she's gone from using what she had to being intentional with her footage so she can get a better thumbnail. She even takes a time now to get a better shot for a picture. How does that relate to YouTube getting it wrong? She recorded a video about making chocolate turtles. While I was editing her raw footage, I came to this bit right here.
I'm getting hungry. I've been filming a really long time.
A long time? Sharon, you've been filming for 7 minutes. I uploaded the finished video to my channel so I could see the YouTube auto select. Can you guess the moment it picked from that video? 3, 2, 1. Yep. I'm in the video less than 10 seconds, and it chose me to represent the chocolate turtle video. That is not what her video is about. Your goal is to create a fast thumbnail. And because I love a good acronym, FAST is exactly what we're going to do. Comment below if you love a good acronym as much as I do. The first thing you want to do is find the moment. You know the moment that's going to tell the story. There are a couple ways to do this, but my personal favorite is to open up my video editor and do a quick scrub through to find it. And then once I find it, I can go, here's another F, frame by frame to find the exact moment and do a screenshot. My keyboard shortcut is this, Shift Windows S. If you're on a Mac, let us know in the comments what your keyboard shortcut is for getting a screen grab. Now that we've found our moment, it's time to adjust in Canva. The reason why you want to adjust this in Canva is just in case your screen grab is not exactly thumbnail size. Because I want to make this easiest for you, we are just going to go into a traditional thumbnail size here by clicking social media and typing in YouTube thumbnail. You're going to paste in that screen grab right on the document. Double click the image. This is going to bring up a crop tab, and you can slide over to where it says 16 by 9. This will crop your image just in case it is not actually 16 by 9. And then you can lay it across the canvas. You can stop here, but there are a few things that you could absolutely do that would improve your thumbnail by a lot. I'm going to point to another video at the end of this one that will go over those skills. It's time to save to your device. You can do that by clicking Share, Download, selecting the file type PNG is best, Make sure you select the page that your thumbnail is on. Click Done and download. Can you guess what the T is? It's time to upload your thumbnail. Click on the pencil icon and scroll down until you get to the thumbnail that's auto-selected and switch it to upload file. And we're going to grab that thumbnail. And of course, after you do that, you do want to click Save. And the best part is that once you start thinking about the strategy of using a screen grab for your thumbnail, it will actually improve the way you film. Think of it like stepping stones. The first stone is using what you have. The next stone is thinking about how you are filming your video, which would get an even better moment for your thumbnail. Watch this video right here to learn a few simple skills that will take your thumbnails to the next level. Your creator bestie is out, and I'll see you over there. Bye.